Hey lawn dogs, Floyd with Ulnar Lawn Care, ulnarlawncare.com. Hey, welcome to my 2020 snow removal setup. Let's get it started. YouTube, play my intro. Hey lawn dogs. So my holiday's been crazy with all the installations I've been doing for the Christmas lights. Well, from fall cleanup straight to the Christmas lights into the holidays, it's just been nuts. But I wanted to do this video, not for you, but more for me. Want to see as I grow in the future what I have for setup now versus 10 years from now. Last year I just had that old Western cable plow. This year we have a little bit of an upgrade. Well, a lot of an upgrade actually. So let's get into this 2020 snow removal setup for Ulnar Lawn Care. All right, let's do this. So the first thing I'm going to show you is my Toro Power Clear 518ZR. Now, this is the same one I had last year, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about this thing. If you can tell, the handles are a little bent, and there's some, let's see here, scrapes on this side. How did that happen? Well, if you remember that Chevy truck I had last year, well, the tailgate didn't latch all the way sometimes, and this thing fell out of my truck going down the highway a couple times, and scraped up, bent the handle, bent the little bar down here for the wheels to roll on. So you can see it's a little wobbly, and but man, it still runs like a champ. I do got a new bar. I can replace that. I just haven't yet. But that is my snow blower for the year. I can't be happier with it. I'm so happy with it. My mom got one, except I gave her the, well, she got the, I didn't give it to her, I just helped her get it. She got the electric start one. I don't need the electric start one, as this thing's usually in the back of my truck. So anyway, that is the snowblower. My little salt spreader is this Vigro speed control spreader here. You can see it through the handlebar. Let me move this. And you see I got rock salt in there. I used it on my driveway the other day. We had some snow. But I bought the Scott's version. The Scott one is at Lowe's or whatever. And the expensive one they got there, I don't know, it's black. It's got two things. And it worked for me like twice last year and it quit working. I had this all last year and it worked just fine. And so far it's worked 100% this year. Do these last forever? No, they're kind of throwaway items. I get that. I use them till I can't no more. And this thing right here, I don't worry about the controls and all that, but this little spreader does a trick. I only have two properties I salt. And yeah, it'd be nice to have a truck spreader, but I just get out and walk the parking lot with this. Usually have to fill it up 5 times, maybe a little bit more, depending on which one I'm doing. But this little salt spreader, grass spreader, fertilizer spreader works perfect for me. I will look to upgrade to a tailgate spreader or something in the future, but for now, this is what I got. All right, now on to the big dog. Here it is. I have the Boss V-Blade XT. This is brand new this year. Bought it from a local dealership down the road, and I've used it once so far. We haven't got a lot of snow, as you can tell. Used it once on a customer, and I liked it, man. It got that job done a lot faster than the old straight blade Western did. Cable system Western. Now I know straight blades are nice, but this was an upgrade from what I got or had in the past. Anyway, so it's got the quick mount system, you know, right here with the cords, and I'll show you how to do that here in the another video. I have it installed right now. I did just go spray the truck off. It was all muddy from hunting, so I wanted to get it all cleaned up. We're supposed to get some snow tonight, and we'll see. And the dog next door is barking, so I apologize for that. But yeah, this is the XT. The reason I got the XT is that, was it the HXT or DXT? I think it's DXT, double XT. When I was talking to the dealer, this thing trips one way. So if you hit a curb, it trips one way like that. The DXT trips two ways. It'll trip this way, and the lip down here will trip too. Now, he explained it to me that everybody who buys the double trip tends to put the fixed lock in, because for gravel, it tends to trip in it, and they end up locking it in place anyway. So it was kind of extra money for no reason. So I don't know if that's true or not. I'm still new to plowing, but I figured I'd go with this one here. As you can see, it did not come with a flap. They did have the I don't know what these things are called. Shoot, guide bars, guide poles. It came with that, but it didn't come with a flap. I don't know if that's needed. If you plow guys want to comment below and tell me if that's something I need to add to this thing or not. Something I did add to this thing were the skid things. I do a couple gravel properties, and you know, everybody who has gravel driveways always like, don't scrape up my gravel. Well, I mean, it's somewhat impossible not to get some of it, but we can try to limit how much we do by using those skid plates on those properties. Yeah, so that is the plow I've got. Super excited. I'm hoping we get those 5 inches tonight, because I want to plow, man. You know, it's kind of fun plowing. I enjoy it, you know. But there it is. So hey, lawn dogs, that's my 2020 setup for last year. As you can see, I did a little beard trimming, just messing around. I don't know if I'll keep it or not, but we'll see. Mutton chops are in, right? Isn't that what it is? Mullets and mutton chops? Well, I can't grow a mullet because I have no hair, so I might as well have the mutton chops. But anyway, that's my setup for the 2020-2021 season. As we grow, my goal is to try to get a salt spreader, a tailgate salt spreader, maybe a Boss 600 or something in the future. But for now, that's what I got. So, and I'm happy with it. So anyway, hey, always give maximum effort and be kind to everyone. Happy 2021 to everyone. This is Floyd. I'm out.